Hi everybody, welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share with you 5 simple DIYs. Spring is here and Easter is just around the corner, so let's get started. First up is this adorable two-tone rope basket with carrots and bunny. I take off the tinsel from the original basket and hot glue Dollar Tree's nautical rope onto it. For the handle, I use a thinner, less bulky piece of rope. Then I glue a piece of styrofoam board I have to the bottom of the basket. Next, I apply a couple of coats of chalk paint to the lower portion of the basket. To make the bunny, I used the materials from the Dollar Tree's pom-pom kit. I used the biggest pom-pom for the bunny's bottom and used the felt pieces to make the paws. Next, I take a piece of wire ribbon and cut off the wire. Then I fray the edges and glue that to the basket. Now I glue some Dollar Tree carrots and my bunny to the basket. The second DIY is this ceramic bunny and spring flowers decor. I removed the label on the back of this Ray Dunn inspired Ooh La La sign by using Goo Gone. Then I wipe off any residue with an alcohol pad. My surface is now ready to decoupage. A very generous friend gave me this super cute napkin. I love the bunny, spring flowers, watering can, and the little bird. Use only the topmost layer of the napkin to decoupage. To remove the excess napkin around the edge, I use a nail file in a downward motion. Then I cut a piece of blue gingham fabric to cover the sides. I add a bow to embellish. The third spring DIY is this display stand made with Dollar Tree's pillar candle pedestal and a small plate. I use E6000 and hot glue to attach the two pieces. This is a versatile piece you can use to keep your jewelry or display plants. I'm going to display Dollar Tree's Moss Bunny with decoupage eggs and butterflies for Easter and spring. I attach a wooden cube from the Dollar Tree to give the bunny some stability. I then paint some styrofoam eggs from the Dollar Tree white, then decoupage some blue and white napkin pieces to the eggs. To give the eggs a high gloss finish, I glaze with some triple thick. I give the Moss Bunny a blue gingham bow and cover the plate with Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree. To make the butterfly stands, I hot glue some leftover pink berry vines to the wooden cubes and attach some beautiful Dollar Tree butterfly stickers. I cover the plate with more Spanish moss. Our fourth spring decor is this self-standing wooden house with spring bunnies and twine. First, I trace the shape of the house and cut a piece of the scrapbook paper to cover the back of the house. I didn't like how the paper was lined up the first time, so I'm trying again. Then I attach the paper to the back of the wooden decor using a glue stick. Then I wrap a piece of twine a few times around the house and tie a bow. Easy peasy. For the last spring DIY, I am making over this home sign from the Dollar Tree. I love the size and quality of this sign and can't wait to personalize it. Using a screwdriver, I remove the letters from the sign. Next, I glue a pretty scrapbook paper to the backing. To help me place the letters in the right place, I make some pencil marks. Then I reattach the word home and put it back in the frame. I make a floral and ribbon embellishment for the top of the frame. It's a super easy way to customize and personalize a Dollar Tree sign for the spring. Well, there you have it. 5 simple and fun ways to update your home decor for the spring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.